If you're experiencing an installation loop with Elden Ring, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get your game installed properly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. If your system does not meet these requirements, you may encounter installation issues. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation problems. Close all applications and restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve installation loops. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Your antivirus software or firewall may be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable these security features and try installing the game again. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, uninstall Elden Ring completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to avoid any corrupted files. Following these steps should help you overcome the installation loop and get Elden Ring up and running. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.